Alright, today's little journey, or tonight I should say, because it's fucking pitch black, we're heading into a pig farm. Up somewhere, it's mentioned in the video now, I don't have a clue. Pretty creepy spot though, that's for sure. It's gonna be like one of them horror movies where she gets eaten.
Let's go over by.
Think? Probably just some old cultist boys. Come on.
Obviously I do.
I'm gonna need to see for safety. Boy, is that ever creepy trees though. No. Where am I?
You're at the old pig farm, man. Fucking.
No, I wasn't. I don't think.
No.
I remember going to an old pig farm. I thought we were up in Redcliffe when you said I was up there before.
Redcliffe.
Did you go 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning, boys, to get slaughtered?
Looks like an internment tent. Look, there's already a tent like that, man. You can go on that, man. Let me show you. Comes out a certain way. Comes out through there somehow. Maybe them ones.
It'd be fun to do it barbed wire.
I remember doing it. I remember doing it at Home Hardware on Clifton.
What's inside one of these a lot warmer, is it? Let's get in one. Look how trippy it is. It looks like something you go in a fucking horror film, boys. What do you mean? It is creepy as fuck. Yes, but
I don't want to go too far in past that gate, motherfucker.
Huh?
I don't want to go too far into that gate.
No.
holy fuck.
You got the loony. You want a shiny loony? I got. Come by. Where did we go? Come back, dummy.
Yes. You're burnt, but I figured you'd be right down to check this spot out, you pussy. Why not, man? It's creepy as fuck. This is where you get the best videos, going through these creepy spots. This is what people want to see. Someone's underneath here, mate. Man, that looks sick, but let's just check. Go in. One of them smoked drive-bys. It's trippy as fuck. Look how trippy this one looks. It's just falling apart. Look, someone's in the back over there. Bet you best kind.
Better over this way. Let's start with me and you.
Yes, but come on, you fucking pussies.
So that's just me and you, whatever is in there?
Nothing in here gonna hurt you now. Anything in here is dead. Don't got much to eat. I don't give a fuck. I just surfed that out. There's nothing in there. Yep. I got a big dick. Holy fuck, there's nothing left of that one. The whole roof fell on him. That's a collapse in there. Look, it's all collapsed. I'd like to go in another one on the other side, boys. Just for a quick look.
Over on the other side.
Let's check out the other side, but I just wanted to go in for a look.
More down that way.
That's cool. That's what's creepy. That's what I was to get something like that.
Your own though, we went down that way. You can walk around the fence and the golf down.
But you definitely hear lots of sound in a spot like this.
Yeah, it's glass and the open up around here. Yo, drop up here. Yeah, you guys are scared, that's why. It looks so trippy. You're scared. You guys are scared. Down underground, but that's a sick one. That goes downstairs.
Oh, let's go down to that old fish pit. You have a whistle door that upstairs.